welcome to another hillbilly adventure. This one is an adventure in stupidity. So, my Craftsman riding lawnmower, the deck busted on it. The welds cracked and the deck come apart. And I ended up being out of a riding mower to mow my lawn and my mom's lawn. So I said, hey, I'll just buy a cheap riding lawnmower to get me by until they can repair my deck. All right, let's get into my huge mistake. Over there's my John Deere, and the deck has been welded up and it's back in service, and I've been using it this year. And this thing here, I got crazy and I 3D printed me a chicken hood ornament and said, oh yeah, let's make it nice. And I did a lot of work to it. Well, it has been a nightmare, this Craftsman Lt1000. I paid $150 for it, and I'm probably 500 bills in at this point. Oh, so let's go with things that I had to make myself. I made me a cup holder. I made me a knob for the park brake. Had to replace the key switch. Key switch was bad. Amp meter burned up. Had to replace the amp meter. Gave it a silly name, of course, because I put a rooster on it. Labeled a few things. Chair needs to be replaced. I haven't even got that far yet. So under the hood here, the individual I bought it from, he had bought brand new tires for it, and he had put a brand spanking new carburetor on it, and it runs good. Okay, I got it home, got to use it one time, and then the disaster happened. Regulator went bad. Regulator went bad, and it fried the entire wiring harness in there. And that's what burned up the key switch. That's what burned up the starter. Yeah, that's right. I had to buy a brand new starter as well. Melted the wiring harness. So I was determined not to be defeated. So I ordered a used wiring harness, which you put on here. Replaced the key switch, which was melted. Replaced the amp meter, which was melted. Replaced the starter I showed you, which was fried. Windings were shot. Put a new regulator on it. Fired it up. And went to ride it, and the drive belt was wore out. So, I don't know if you can see up under here. We'll see if we can, well, it's kind of hard to see. Brand new drive belt. Put a drive belt on it. And then it snowballed from there. Yeah, that gas tank looks clean because I washed it. I took it all apart, washed it, cleaned it up. So I put a new deck belt on it. This is a brand new deck belt, which is now smoked because of my most recent problem. The bearings in the idler pulley are solid. There is no bearings. It's, yeah, just burned up my brand new belt. Didn't even get mom's lawn done, and it is already shot. Also, another issue I had with it, while it was sitting here in this hot building, I ended up having to buy brand new back tires because the older ones, although they were holding air, were dry rotted, and they blew from the heat of being in this building. So, to make a long story short, you get what you pay for. That's all I'm saying. Don't be dumb and try to save $1, because it'll cost you in the long run. Now, on the good side of things, looking at everything that's been replaced in this sucker, it's literally almost like brand new. Everything that could break is going to be new. It even has a lithium battery in it. So when I'm done with this thing, I'm going to park it at my mom's house, and that way I don't have to, that way this mower doesn't have to do double duty and get wore out so quick. And I don't have to drag a trailer with me back and forth. You get what you pay for is what I'm trying to say, folks. You get what you pay for. However, sometimes if you build something yourself, at least you know what you have in it. So now I know what I bought for $150. And I know all the extra money I've put into it now. So it should be good to go for years to come. The frame on it's good. Hood on it's good. Everything else is in really good shape. Lights, everything else works. I mean, it's not a bad mower. These things, my dad had one of these years ago. They're good mowers. They run really good. They're usually really dependable. But the story behind this one, from what I understand, is the boy that bought it off of, it was his grandparents had been sitting for a whole bunch of years, and he had to do a bunch of work on it to get it going. And then he sold it when he bought him a brand new Craftsman. Yeah, similar to mine right there. So anyway, I will not be defeated, people. I will keep on keeping on until this thing runs like butter. I'm a technician, and I repair stuff for a living, and I will not be beaten. This has been challenge after challenge after challenge after challenge with this thing, but I will not let this thing defeat me. And that's the attitude you have to have if you repair anything. Don't let it beat you. Keep on keeping on. And eventually, you will succeed and you will achieve victory. And that's what we're doing here. We will have victory if it kills me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Yeah, I haven't been putting out a whole lot of videos of late. I'll be honest with you. I'll put out videos when I feel like it, when I got time to do it. I'm a busy guy, and just haven't really had time to do it. And my passion for the whole RC thing is kind of squashed. Speaking of which, I'm having a mega sale on eBay. I'll put in the description below my eBay store. If you're looking for RC stuff, I'm going to be selling a lot of crap because I've got too much, and I need to get rid of it. And I don't care if Uncle Sam hits me for taxes at the end of the year on stuff I've already paid taxes on. Yeah, I got to get it gone. I got to get it gone. A lot of the stuff has been sitting on the shelves for years collecting dust, and it's just in my way, to be honest with you. And until my enthusiasm for RC picks back up and I feel like doing some of this stuff, why keep it around? So I'm just going to continue to sell off stuff that I haven't used in years. Start with smalls. I sold off a whole bunch of classic RC vintage stuff. I've still got totes and totes of other stuff. So if you're looking for vintage RC stuff, you're going to find it on my eBay store. And, help a brother out. Help me make some room in the RC hobby shop. I will be selling some RCs eventually on there. I just want to get the small stuff out of the way, and then I can actually look at what I got and kind of pick and choose which ones I'm keeping, which ones are going to go down the road. So look for that coming up. And, as for this riding lawnmower right here, I may get it running perfectly by wintertime. That's just how it goes sometimes, guys. Anyway, catch you later. Y'all take it easy. See you.